Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is this piece of magic right here? Well, it's just, as you can see, it's just an angled platform here, a little cutout here, and a little shelfy thing here. And I'll just show you what kind of magic it's for. It's for your laundry detergent bottles and stuff. And it's got the little shelfy thing to put your little cuppy cup on, and then you can just dispense, and it keeps your bottle tilted at a little bit, because as it gets lower and lower, it's harder and harder for it to come out when it's just on a level flat surface. So this tilts it down. How about that? They sent these to us so we could show them to you, and I'm actually I think it's pretty cool. And it came in a 2-pack, and right now we only need one, but that's pretty cool. Look at that. And this little shelfy thing underneath that holds the cup, it's super simple. All it does is just has a little piece of wood with a groove in it there, and then the edge of that just slips right down into it there, and ta-da, there you go. And then you put the detergent bottle up there, and if you push it too far back, obviously you don't have clearance to get any soap out, so you got to pull that forward enough so that it'll have clearance for the soap to come out. And you put your little cup right there, and ta-da, put stuff in the washer, and then away you go. How about that? Ha ha!